Solve and graph this inequality here. Ooh, distributed property. Let's do that first. Let's multiply -2 to everything. So you become -2n. -2 times -4 is +8. Drop down the 3, drop down the greater than, drop down the -1. Okay, before we do anything, let's combine the like terms on the left. 3 plus 8 is 11, so 11 minus 2n is greater than -1. So far, nothing different than solving a regular old equality. All right, still nothing different. Minus 11, cross you out, -2n is greater than -12. This is where it finally gets different. If when you solve an inequality at any point you multiply both sides or divide both sides by a negative, you have to flip the inequality sign like that. Okay, so dividing both sides by a negative has me go from greater than to less than, and -12 divided by -2 is +6. That's me solving. Now, the way I graph that is this is saying all of my n values have to be less than 6. Oh, you're not allowed to include 6, but it's got to be less than 6. So we'll put 6 here. So you're going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You'll be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when we want to show that it's not equal to 6, we put a circle at 6 and don't fill it in. Filling it in means include the 6. Don't fill it in means don't include the 6, and we don't want to include the 6. We're going to highlight our arrow less than 6, so this is going to go below the 6. And what this means is for the original problem, I'm allowed to take any number less than 6, substitute it in, and it'll work. I can plug in 0, I can plug in 4, I can plug in -1 billion, and this will become a true statement. Any number that I plug in that's below 6 and not including 6 will be greater than -1. All right? Solving and graphing inequalities. Fun stuff.